How do you power a spaceship? It's a question that's captivated imaginations for decades. From the sleek vessels of sci-fi movies to the real-life missions exploring our solar system, the question remains, what fuels these extraordinary journeys? To understand the future of space travel, we must first look to the past. The early days of space exploration relied on chemical rockets. These powerful engines, fueled by a combination of liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen, provided the initial thrust needed to escape Earth's gravity. However, chemical rockets have their limitations. They're incredibly powerful but also incredibly fuel-intensive. This makes them suitable for short bursts of acceleration but less practical for long-duration missions. Nuclear power, a more enduring solution. One potential solution is nuclear power. Nuclear reactors can generate vast amounts of energy over extended periods, making them ideal for long-distance space travel. By harnessing the power of nuclear fission, spacecraft could journey to distant planets and beyond. However, nuclear power also presents challenges. The radiation emitted by nuclear reactors poses significant risks to astronauts and the environment. Additionally, the disposal of nuclear waste in space is a complex issue that requires careful consideration. Solar power, harnessing the sun's energy. Another promising option is solar power. By deploying large solar panels, spacecraft can harness the abundant energy of the sun. Solar power is clean, renewable, and virtually limitless. However, its effectiveness diminishes as spacecraft travel farther from the sun. To overcome this limitation, researchers are exploring advanced solar sail technology. These massive sails can capture sunlight and convert it into thrust, propelling spacecraft to incredible speeds. Fusion power, the ultimate energy source. The holy grail of space propulsion is fusion power. By mimicking the process that powers stars, fusion reactors could generate enormous amounts of energy with minimal waste. If we can harness fusion power, it could revolutionize space travel, enabling us to reach distant star systems in a fraction of the time. However, achieving controlled fusion remains a significant scientific challenge. The future of space propulsion. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see a diverse range of propulsion systems emerge. Hybrid propulsion systems, combining the best of different technologies, may offer the most practical solution for many missions. Additionally, innovative concepts like antimatter propulsion and beamed energy propulsion are being explored, promising to push the boundaries of space travel even further. The question of how to power a spaceship is a complex one with no easy answer. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, we will need to develop increasingly sophisticated propulsion systems to overcome the vast distances of space. By harnessing the power of the sun, atoms, and even the fabric of spacetime itself, we may one day unlock the secrets of the universe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.